Today, we're checking out 20 insanely useful tools that'll save your time, unlock your creativity, and make you say, "Why didn't I find this sooner?" From genius gadgets to mind-blowing inventions, this video is packed with surprises. Warning: after this, your Amazon wishlist might need therapy. Let's jump in. The CornerCut by Milescraft makes perfect rounded corners and sharp 45-degree chamfers ridiculously easy. With multiple templates, adjustable edge guides, a rubber-padded base, and a dual-bearing flush trim bit, it delivers clean, accurate routing every time. Basically, it turns rough DIY edges into, "Wait, you made this yourself?" The Stair climbing dolly features 6 no-slip rubber tri-wheels for smooth movement on stairs and different surfaces. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame supports heavy loads, while the adjustable telescoping handle and included elastic ropes provide stability, convenience, and easier transport for users of different heights. This bucket work center turns aerial buckets into the ultimate lineman command station. It securely locks tools onto bucket rails, keeps everything organized, and adapts to different bucket sizes, insulated liners, and crew setups. Basically, it's like giving hardworking linemen a superhero utility belt, but way cooler and OSHA-friendly. The 40-volt Max X GT brushless ground trimmer makes yard work feel less like a workout and more like a power upgrade. With razor-sharp 500mm blades, smooth 3-wheel movement, adjustable height settings, and reduced debris flying everywhere, trimming becomes fast, clean, and satisfying. Bonus: it folds compactly, because even tools deserve good parking skills. The Stanley Trackwall System turns messy garages into organized masterpieces. With flexible storage for tools, bikes, garden gear, cables, baskets, and shelves, everything finally gets its own spot. The twist and lock design makes installation fast and tool-free, because searching for tools to organize your tools feels a little too ironic. This 3-in-1 manual staple gun is basically the superhero of DIY tools. It handles D-shaped, U-shaped, and T-shaped staples for crafts, repairs, upholstery, and carpentry without breaking a sweat. With a durable steel body, comfy grip, adjustable power, and jam clearing system, it's smoother than most people on dating apps. The digital anemometer measures wind speed, temperature, and humidity with reliable accuracy. Its handheld design, LCD display, USB data transfer, auto power off, and carrying bag make it ideal for professional, outdoor, HVAC, and recreational use. The 40 volts Max X GT brushless cordless pipe belt sander is designed for grinding and polishing curved metal surfaces, pipes, welds, and handrails. It features variable speed control, stable performance, soft start, electric brake, anti-restart protection, and XPT enhanced water resistance. The Ronix Bandsaw packs a powerful 350-watt induction motor and a sharp 1,400mm blade for smooth, accurate cuts every time. With a 0 to 45-degree tilt range, 80mm cutting depth, and tool-free blade changes, it's perfect for wood and plastic projects. Basically, it cuts cleaner than your barber on a good day. The combination pliers are made from durable CRV steel and combine cable pulling, nail pulling, and fastener gripping in one tool. Their tri-material comfort handle and labor-saving eccentric design provide better control, secure handling, and reduced effort during use. The Sunjo 16-inch 12-amp garden tiller turns hard, stubborn soil into fluffy garden magic in minutes. Perfect for prepping garden beds, mixing compost, and tackling landscaping projects, it saves your back from becoming a full-time employee. Honestly, this thing digs through soil faster than kids searching for Wi-Fi passwords. The cordless advanced chain 36 volts is a beast built for serious cutting power. Its brushless motor slices through thick branches, hardwood, and stubborn logs like butter. With OptiCut speed control, lightweight handling, tool-free setup, and a quick-stop safety brake, it's powerful yet easy to use. Basically, it's a chainsaw with brains and muscles. The Cordless Polisher features a 40 volts brushless motor, variable 800 to 3000 revolutions per minute speed control, and fast-charging lithium-ion battery for efficient performance. Its ergonomic D-handle and soft start technology provide comfort, precision, and protection against material damage. The 34-in-1 multifunction toolset includes a mini dual-head ratchet, CRV sockets, S2 steel bits, magnetic bit holder, and adapter in a compact storage case. Its durable design, 72-tooth mechanism, and compact layout make it ideal for tight spaces, home repairs, car maintenance, bicycle work, and DIY projects. The offset extension wrench is the ultimate problem solver for those who designed this tiny space moments. Its flat, chain-driven design reaches impossible spots with a 0-degree arc swing and delivers up to 75 Newton-meters of torque. Built from tough high-carbon steel with multiple adapters, it turns frustrating repairs into smooth victories. This 90-degree right-angle clamp set is every woodworker's dream toolkit. With 40 precision pieces, CNC machined aluminum squares, strong accessories, and scratch-free edges, it keeps cabinets, frames, drawers, and furniture perfectly aligned. Plus, the handy storage case means no more "Where did that tiny clamp disappear to?" moments. The long magnetic nut driver set makes fastening jobs faster, easier, and way less annoying. Made from durable CRV steel with powerful magnets, 6-inch reach, and both metric and SAE sizes, it grabs screws like it refuses to let them embarrass you. Plus, clear markings mean no more guessing games mid-project. The tank spreader makes applying adhesives and roof coatings surprisingly clean and satisfying. Its gravity-driven flow spreads materials evenly across flat or ribbed roofs while reducing waste and avoiding messy overspray. Easy refills and simple cleanup save tons of effort. Basically, it's like giving roof work a smooth, easy mode upgrade. The Jaw Boss is a solid steel cutting support that fits any 2-inch receiver hitch to hold logs and lumber securely off the ground. It improves cutting safety, protects chainsaw blades from dirt, reduces risky cuts near feet, and handles logs from under 2 inches to 9 inches wide. The STABILA 80T is the measuring tool that says, "Close enough? Nope." Its extendable telescopic design, secure locking system, and printed metric scale delivers super precise measuring, marking, and cutting. With slip stoppers and durable end caps, it's built tough for cramped spaces, long reaches, and job site chaos alike. These 20 tools can make your work faster, smarter, and way more creative. Some are so genius you'll wonder if humans secretly downloaded extra brain cells. Try them out, upgrade your setup, and stay tuned, because the next discovery might just change your life.